Hi everybody! Welcome to June's Happy Hour Kit, and this segment is going to be to make the Tropical Dragon's Breath. This is a drink that you can once again use with tequila or rum to make a margarita or a daiquiri. So in this particular case, we're going to make a margarita and use tequila. For margarita, a lot of times you'll see it served in a low ball, which is what we did the classic margarita in the other video. And we're going to use a margarita glass. So the very first thing we're going to do is rim it. So we have a very fun rim for this margarita. So this is a sweet chili lime rim that I've made myself for this particular drink. So we take our glass. The very first thing we do, like always, is we rim the outside of the glass with our citrus. Make it nice and wet. Whole thing. And you can go nuts on this, you can go light on this, it's up to you. The easiest way for a large glass like this is to just slowly turn it into a little pile. Alright, so we have our rimmed glass here. Just gonna garnish it with that lime. I'm just gonna put it to the side. I'm gonna take our shaker, or whatever it is that you have, your mason jar, your thermos, your water bottle, whatever you're using. And the very first thing we're going to do is add ice. Warm day, it's going to melt fast, so I'm going to put quite a bit of ice into this one. And like I said, I'm going to do margarita for this one. So we're going to make a margarita, so we're going to use tequila. I'm going to use 1.25 ounces of tequila, but if all you have is tequila, I would say use a little bit more than 1.25 ounces to keep the balance right. If you happen to also have triple sec, great, and use 3/4 ounce of this as an addition to the tequila, but if you do not have it, just use a little bit more tequila to keep the balance right. So first we're going to start with our tequila. So I'm going to do 1.25 ounces. Once again, if you're just using tequila, do a little bit more. So if you're making this into a daiquiri, use 2 ounces of rum. Three-quarter ounce. We'll put our bottles away. Now we take our beautiful pièce de résistance. And we're going to add 2 ounces of our pineapple passion fruit habanero syrup. It's quite a mouthful. The lemon is so juicy, there was a bunch of juice in it. Now we're going to take our lime, half lime, squeeze it in. Super juicy lime. So now we're going to shake our cocktail. If you remember the technique from last month, we're going to use the exact same technique. So you take the cover and lock it on. Hear that? Nice and connected. And we're going to tilt it this way and make sure that it's connected. If it comes right off, it will splatter all over you. Not fun. So tilt it forward like this and shake. So as you can see, All the condensations come here and it's very cold. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for all the condensation. That means that it's ready to go and it's started to ice melt, but not too much. So I'm actually just going to dirty pour this because I'm going to drink it right away. This is one of my favorites. Our technique to loosen the top. We're not going to bash it against the side. Not going to do some crazy things. We're going to put it down on a flat surface. Put our hands around the sides. Put our thumbs up and push forward. And pop it right off. And we have a beautiful drink right in front of us. We garnish it with this absolutely gorgeous candied sweet chili lemon. There you have it. This is the Tropical Dragon's Breath. Little smoky, little heat, little sweet. Oh, there's like salty and sweet and that just goes beautifully. This by the way is my go-to quarantine favorite. I've been making it quite a lot to perfect it for you guys. This is I mean, the watermelon one is one I'd go for on a super hot day. But this is the one that I'd go for like as a go-to. Definitely. Cheers. Oh, that is delightful. Just so you guys know, in the description below, there will be a step-by-step on how to make each recipe. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed.